Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm Alex, and today we're diving into a handy little word that helps us describe positions and directions with ease. Above. Above is a preposition, and we use it to talk about something being in a higher place or position than something else. So if you're sitting on the ground and you look up, everything over your head is above you. Let's make it clear with some synonyms. Words like over, on top of, and higher than are close in meaning to above. For instance, if you say, the clock is above the door, you could also say, the clock is over the door, or the clock is higher than the door, and it would still make sense. But note that each of these words has its own small differences in specific situations, so be mindful when you swap them out. On the flip side, we have some antonyms. Below, under, and beneath describe positions lower than a particular point. If we go back to our example, if the clock is above the door, the mat might be below the door or under the door frame. It's all about where things are in relation to each other. Now, let's look at how above appears in everyday life. You might say, the airplane flies above the clouds, or the stars are shining above us in the night sky. It's also common to see it in instructions like hold your hand above your head or place the book on the shelf above the desk. Each of these examples shows how above is used to talk about something that's positioned at a higher point. Here are a few sentences to lock it in. The mountains tower above the valley, offering a stunning view. She hung a picture above her bed to make the room feel cozier. The light was directly above them, casting strong shadows. All right, that's a wrap on today's word, above. We learned that it means something in a higher place or position, explored some synonyms and antonyms, and saw how it's used in everyday language. I hope you found this helpful. Remember to hit subscribe so you never miss an episode. And if you enjoyed today's lesson, please leave a review. It really helps others find the show. And before you go, I'd love to see you try using above in your own sentence. Drop it in the comments below, and let's keep the conversation going. Thanks for tuning in to Hello Word.